Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Maizatul Hanani binti Yunus and my matrix number is A19A0262. Today I'd like to share some information about the retail situation in Germany. Firstly is basic information of the country. Germany is the largest consumer market in Europe, both in terms of population with a GDP of 3,386 billion euros and purchasing power of 1,893 billion euros. As a result, the retail sector continues to represent a wealth of opportunities for new businesses, trading and investing. Overall, there are around 300,000 businesses belong to German retail industry. The majority being small and medium-sized enterprises. The industry employs approximately 3.261 million people. The retail sector in Germany is experiencing major transformations as the consumers are increasingly becoming accustomed to the new retail trends in the market. German retailers are widely known in the international markets, especially in the US in the context of their entrance into the North American market. However, German retail is also sophisticated, competitive, and has its own unique challenge and personality, all of which can shed light on larger international retail trends. Next is the main retail sector in the country. Germany is an attractive market for the fashion industry. In European countries such as France, Italy, Spain, the United States, and the United Kingdom, Germany is the largest and one of the richest markets. Many international players have found a reliable key market in Germany. According to statistics, the number of retail chains in Germany by sector in 2021 will be fashion and clothing. With 143 networks, fashion and clothing is a leading sector. Besides, textile and clothing retail are linked together because textile manufacturing as an industry leads to the production and sale of clothing items. Textiles also include workwear, sportwear, various home textile, and bedding. The German clothing retail sector generated fluctuating but generally increasing amounts of revenue in the last 2 decades, passing the 30 billion euros mark after 2014. Before the pandemic, German consumers spent 76 billion euros on clothing in 2019 alone, and now they are spent almost 65.3 billion euros on clothing. The production and sale of clothing has become a major industry in Germany and around the world. Consistently, the most popular retailers to shop for clothing and textile products were Otto, H&M, and C&A. Okay, next question is one main issue related to global retailing of the country's main retail sector. Germany is one of the world's biggest markets for fashion and its economic growth was downgraded again. Selling fashion and clothing in Germany is not easy. A recent example is fashion retailer in Canada entered the German market in 2015 with high hopes but failed because German consumers are unfamiliar about the fashion that Canada brings in on. The German clothing retail sector also generated fluctuating because Germans are price sensitive. Despite having one of the continent's highest GDPs per capita, 39,500 euros, German annual spending on clothing per person is well below Italy and the UK. According to a study, 50% of German women say they spend only an average of 290 euros per year on fashion. Therefore, many international retailers find it difficult to penetrate the Germany's fashion market. The next question is why it is considered the main issue and how long the issue has been happening. During the corona crisis, price sensitivity in the lower price segment intensified. From February to the end of May, the C market, which includes 50% of Germans, lost 19.7% in value and 13.6% in volume. That means people have been buying at even lower prices. German consumers also tend to be reserved and pragmatic when it comes to fashion. They prefer garments that are practical and can be worn on many occasions. The last question is one way to overcome the issue or gain more benefit from the issue. Okay, to prosper in Germany as a fashion brand, retailers need consistency and patience if the retailer really want to succeed. Brands should also remain realistic when it comes to style. Retailer needs to do market research in advance, and they also need to be realistic with their target audience, which is no doubt not young and trendy. Retailer also need to be sure to work with a sales agency specializing in the German market and listen to their input. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.